What's my Filipino wife doing today? She's sanding pieces for a cat tower she's building for Bella and Scar. Next step's at staining. Filipino wife staining. What's that? Walnut. Got that for, how much is that? 261 peso? Something like that.
Something, yeah.
Like $5. And there's the pieces of wood with 2 coats of stain drying. Cat tower pieces of wood are stained with 2 coats. Gonna use some of these old pieces. We're stapling carpet over these boards that are like that, left over from the kitchen.